Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power t is equal to 49 and here we want to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown we want to solve for. Now to solve this, solution, the question is t raised to power t is equal to 49. Now let's assume we solve this by simple assumption, okay, because you will think of a number and that number you raise it to that same number and that number must equal 49. So let's say we try out 2. 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 and this is not equal to what? 49. If we try out 3, 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27 and this is not equal to 49. If you continue by trying out 4, 4 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 256 and this is not equal to 49. But if you look closely, the value of 49, right, is in between 3 raised to the power 3 and 4 raised to the power 4, right? So to solve this without guessing, there is a much more easier way and this is how you can go about it. So first, we are going to introduce natural logarithm to both sides of the equation. So ln t raised to the power t is equal to ln 49. And right here, ln is equal to log to base e, while log is equal to log to base 10. So that means that we can apply the property of logarithm or natural logarithm ln. Now, following the rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this right here, power t right here becomes t times ln t is equal to, we have ln 49. So at this junction, to then solve this further, we are going to apply a principle which is called the Lambert W function. So we call it the Lambert W function. Okay, now what does this mean? Now let's say you have an expression in this format, a times e raised to power a, and you want to solve this. Simply introduce the Lambert W function w. What you will get as the value will be equal to a. Or let's say you have this 3 times e raised to power 3. If you introduce the Lambert W function to this right here, what you will have is 3. So in this case, we're going to make this right here to resemble an expression like this, such that we can then apply the Lambert W function. And to do so, we can simply make use of this principle, right, that if you have e raised to power ln x, this equals x. Why? Because e will cancel ln, what you have is x. So in this case, in replace of t, we can bring in e raised to power ln t to replace t. Because if we cancel ln, what we have is t. So right here, t will be replaced by e raised to power ln t, then times we have ln t is equal to ln 49. So with this, looking at this Lambert W function right here, you will see that e is in the second place, right? So we are going to make this e to stay in the second place. So simply bring ln t to this side. This becomes ln t times e raised to the power of ln t is equal to ln 49. So from here, we are then going to apply the Lambert W function because we have made this expression to resemble this. So introducing w, so w into bracket ln t times e raised to the power of ln t is equal to w into bracket ln 49. Now, with this, following the Lambert W function, if you have something like this, what you have as the final answer will be equal to ln t. So ln t is equal to w into bracket ln 49. So then, to then solve for t, we are going to introduce e to both sides of the equation. So e raised to the power of ln t is equal to e raised to the power of w into bracket ln 49. So with this, what we have is that e will cancel ln, t stands alone, which equals, we have e raised to the power of w times ln 49. Okay. Now from here, we have gotten the value of t. So this is the value of t. But then if you are confused, why is the answer not a numerical value? Simply, in your calculator, just simply press the value of t to equals, press in your calculator, and you will not see W in your calculator. Instead, you will see product log. So type in raised to the power product log, then into brackets type in ln 49. Now if you do so, what you will get as the value of t will be equal to 3.2781. So therefore, this means that if you raise this value 3.2781 to 3.2781, you will approximately get the value to equal 49. So with this, we have gotten the answer to the value of t that will satisfy this given question. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.